Cathy, hello world. This is Attorney Angel and I'm your legal angel. Hi my fellow angels, so this is Basic Legal Ethics Lecture number 5. I hope you learned something from this. Enjoy watching and listening. For the 2004 Rules on Notarial Practice, these are some of the points of attention or areas of attention that I would like to share with you. First of all, thank you again to my former students in Basic Legal Ethics, the group of Miss Mary Rose Rios, for allowing me to use their infographic for purposes of this vlog. Okay, now who is a notary public? A notary public is a person commissioned to perform any act under the rules on notarial practice. Can a notary public be a non-lawyer? No. Always, a notary public should be a lawyer. You cannot be a notary public if you are not a lawyer. What are some of the qualifications under the 2004 rules on notarial practice? Okay, one must be over 21 years of age, a resident of the Philippines for at least 1 year, maintains a regular place of work or business in the place where he or she applied for the commission to be issued. He or she must be a member of the Philippine Bar in good standing. Okay, go back to the requirements of how a member of the Philippine Bar can remain in good standing, and must not have been convicted of any crime involving moral turpitude. And going back to the continuing requirement of good moral character. Now, how can one apply for a notarial commission? Okay. A lawyer can file a written petition for notarial commission, okay, and this will be submitted to the office of the executive judge. The executive judge will conduct a summary proceeding or a summary hearing, okay, and then after which the executive judge will issue a commission and a certificate of authorization. Now, for the certificate of authorization, you will use that for purchasing your notarial seal. Okay. Is there an amount to be paid when you apply or file your notarial commission? Yes. Pardon for the spelling. That should be double S, commission. Sorry. Okay. There is, just like any other pleading or case filed before the courts, there is a filing fee for that. Now, with regard to the duration of the commission, when it is approved, it is good for 2 years. Okay. So upon expiration, you may again apply for your notarial commission, this time a petition for renewal of your notarial commission. What are the notarial acts which are allowed under the 2004 rules? It includes acknowledgements, oaths, affirmations, jurats, signatures and witnessings, copy certifications, and any other act authorized under these 2004 rules on notarial practice, and as well as the rules of court. There are also other notarial powers included, like for example, certifying the affixing of a signature by a thumb mark or other mark on the document presented for notarization. The Notary Public may also be authorized to sign on behalf of a person physically unable to sign or make a mark on the document. But of course, for these two notarial powers mentioned, this must always be with the consent and approval of the principal or the person giving the authority. When there are acts which are allowed, there are also prohibited acts included or involved. And under the rules, we have the following. The notary public shall not perform a notarial act outside of his or her regular place of work or business. Shall not notarize if the signatory is not in his presence or identified by a competent evidence of identity. and shall not notarize any blank or incomplete document or without notarial certification. Okay, and then for the rest of the details, you may check out the rest of the provisions of the 2004 Rules on Notarial Practice. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching and for listening. Be kind, be a blessing to others, and always remember to glorify God with a grateful heart. This is Attorney Angel, and I'm your legal angel. Saranghe.